ang feeling ng kabataan ngayon, pabigat. Ano ba ang view ng PhilHealth? Do you take that as given? Kaya yung PhilHealth as a program to address the needs of the seniors? Or as a Filipino, what is the psychology behind this feeling of being neglected by your children?
Sa part po ng PhilHealth kasi, we do develop benefits as needed or dun according sa pangangailangan ng mga tao. And yung pong pangangailangan ng tao is dependent on the life stages.
Correct.
So meron nung bata ka, meron ka nung teenager ka, meron nung adolescent ka, or mature ka, or even at your senior life stage.
Yeah.
Kaya po, we also develop benefits, especially for the senior.